train tracks, tie me up, lay me down on the train tracks. The train is coming real fast and it's hit me real fast. The legs have been cut in half. As I die, I wake up in a new timeline. I jump around timelines like I'm a clown in a gown. I'm stuck in this new timeline where I'm full of old memories now. I feel lost all the time. I don't know how to jump back now. Since I died there, I can't go back. I just gotta live here now. But I don't wanna live, I just wanna drown. Let me drown in emotions now. I feel way too much all at the same time now. I think I got too much things on my mind. No matter how much I try to hide, I can't tie me up and lay me down on the train tracks. Tie me up, lay me down on the train tracks. The train is coming real fast and it's hit me real fast. My legs have been cut in half. As I die, I wake up in a new timeline.